In today's mathematics class, our focus will be on Pythagorean Theorem. Some people call it Pythagoras Theorem, but we'll call it Pythagorean Theorem. Like you know, in mathematics is all about solving problems, trying to find solutions to some unknown variables. Now, mathematicians started to ask themselves, how can we find the side of a right-angled triangle? For instance, if you have a right-angled triangle, I told you in the other class that the longest part, what do we call it? Hypotenuse. Any part facing an angle is called the opposite of that angle, right? Then the other remaining part is called the adjacent of that angle. Now, mathematicians began to ask themselves, what if we are given the opposite and the adjacent and we don't know the hypotenuse? How do we find it? For instance, if you have a triangle this way and we are given 2, 3, and here is x, how do you find x? Or if mathematicians begin to ask themselves, what if we are given here and here is x? How do we find it? So a man, Pythagoras, began to make some research and he found out that how to find here c is c squared will be equals to a squared plus b squared. This is simple Pythagoras theorem. That is, if you are, for you to find here, the square root of here will be a squared plus b squared. That also shows that if you are given here and not a, how do you find a? It will be c squared minus b squared. What if you are given here and here without b? What do? It will be squared. Will now be c squared minus a squared. This is very simple. For you to find the side of a right-angled triangle, what you do is simple. If you are given here and here, and you are not given here, what do? Just find the square root of this place plus the square root of this place. It will give you here. But if you are given here and one side and not the other side, you now do minus. Let's look at an example. If you have a triangle like this, right angle triangle, remember, this Pythagorean method works only in a right-angled triangle. We'll look at an example, but before we go to the example, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly click on subscribe right now, and you see a small bell there. Also click on it. Invite your classmates, your friends, and all the rest to also join us in learning this channel. The reason why you should subscribe is that it will help you to see more of the videos as soon as we post them. Look at this example. Assuming you are given this example 3, 4, and x. And they say find x. You cannot find it unless you apply Pythagoras theorem. What do? You will simply say, you know here now, our x is our c, hypotenuse. Right? You will simply say, which law do I apply here? What are we looking for? We are looking for hypotenuse. And the law of hypotenuse is c squared equals to a squared plus b squared. We will simply say, I'm sure you are following. What's our c here? X equals to, what is our a here? Our a here is 3. squared. What is our b here? 4. Okay? X squared equals to, in your calculator, 3 squared, that's 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 4 squared, 4 times 4 is what? 16. Now, we now have x squared equals to 9 plus 16. What is 9 plus 16? X squared is equals to 9 plus 16 is what? 25. Now, how do you now find the square root of 25 so that x will be alone? What if for x to be alone, square root of x squared, square root of 25? 2 will cancel this. So x alone will be square root of 25. And square root of 25, x will now be 5. Did you get what we did? What I showed you is to find this place, you just do 4 squared plus 3 squared, which will give you 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 9 plus 16 is 25, square root of 25 will give you 5. So it means that x is equals to 5. Do you understand? Another way to look at it is, what if we are given, let's assume we are given here, and given 3, and then now say we should find our y. And this is a right angled triangle. Please follow me. What do you do? The same method. Remember I said, if you are looking for your y, it will be b squared equals to c squared minus a squared. Y squared should simply be 5 squared minus 3 squared. Very simple. 5 squared minus 3 squared. Because 5 is the hypotenuse. So we now have y to be 5 squared is 25 minus 9 squared is what? 9 squared is 9. Y squared will be 25 minus 9 should give us what? 25 minus 9 should give us 16. Now, to find for y to be alone, you now find square root, it will cancel. So y will now be square root of 16. Y will now be what? Square root of 16 will give us 4. So you can see, in any way you do it, using Pythagoras theorem, if you are looking for here, simply do square root of this plus square root of this. But if you already have the hypotenuse and any of the other numbers is missing, you just do the hypotenuse minus. So it will be x squared minus. That is why here that we have 5, the hypotenuse. We do not have the opposite, but we have the hypotenuse. We just do hypotenuse squared. Square root of hypotenuse plus square root of the adjacent will give us square root of the opposite. That's why we do 5 squared minus 3 squared. I want you to try this and tell me the answer in the comment section. From everything we have done, you should be able to solve this. This is this. This is this. And this is this. So if we have 5, if we have 4, and here is x, find x. Find x right now and show me how you did it in the comment section. Remember, like I always say, mathematics is very simple. In this channel, we have done a lot of classes on mathematics, both on fraction, Pythagoras theorem, simplification, sort, and all the rest. In mathematics, English, government, biology, a lot. That is why you should always follow up on our channel, look at the things we are doing, continue learning. If you have any question that is even outside what we have taught, or if there's any class we have not done that you want me or any of our tutors to do, ask me in the comment section. Keep reading. God bless you.